Okay, I'll just start in 1 or 2 minutes. Huh? Just give me 1 or 2 minutes. Many more should join and they'll join.
Sir, can you send meeting code and password?
Why no? You already joined, no? Why again meeting code and password here?
Sir, I want to join from tab, sir.
To join from tab. Okay. Just right. Meetings. Exam registration. Copy meetings. Okay. I'm sending it to all batches. Okay. Just give me a few minutes. I'll start it. If anyone want to join, they will join. I sent them. If not, I'll just start this. There are many who should join here. Okay. So let me start this session. Meanwhile, if anyone joins, but you need to be very careful because I would be explaining the complete registration process for AP exams. Many students find it difficult registering for AP exams because there is no clear and cut process. But if you listen to me carefully for next 30 to 35 minutes, you will get hold on complete registration process. I am also going to share my screen. I'm going to show it on my screen live. You please do the same thing in your systems. Better to have a laptop, log into your laptop so that it becomes easy for you to register for the exam. Instead of phone, try to get into the laptop. If you are finding it any difficulty to log into the laptop, just message me. I'll send you username and passcode. Using that, you should be able to log into your laptops too. Yeah, almost 30. I split it into 4 batches. Each batch 30 students. Almost 14 more should join. Okay, they should join. Okay. So we are all seriously preparing for this AP exams or SAT exams. So good thing is AP and SAT both are conducted by college board. So please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself, everyone. Please mute yourself. Yes.
Arjun.
Everyone make sure that you mute yourself once you log in. Yeah. So as I told you, right, what I said, college board is the one which conducts SAT and AP exams. So for next 2 years or 3 years, if you are in 10th next 3 years, if you are in 11th next 2 years, this is your life because you'll be taking all SAT, AP exams only from this portal only. So everyone please do type collegeboard.org. Open Google and type collegeboard.org. Everyone should have a college board account. Through this, you can register for any AP exam or any SAT exam. I hope you're getting my point. So some of you might have already college board accounts because some of you I know have taken SAT exam. If you have college board account, fine. If you don't have college board account, for next 10 minutes, I am explaining you how to create college board account. 5 minutes is sufficient. It's very simple. Everyone, please do type collegeboard.org. Who are creating account now should have a email and should have access to it. Please give the email ID which is less burden in the sense I see many students have email ID they used in LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, this Jepto, that Blinkit and all. Please don't give that email ID because when you are applying to universities, you receive many more emails. These food ordering mails and that mix, you'll miss an important mail from a university. So my suggestion is always don't. Some students make a mistake of having their parents' email ID. No, you create one email ID. It takes just 1 minute to create an email ID. These days, go to Gmail ID, create an account, use another account, create an account, create one simple account. But please remember username and password. So the minimum requirements that are required now to create college board account is Aadhaar card or passport, anything is fine, but you should have either of them, and an email ID sufficient. If you have this, you'll be able to create the college board account. So everyone, some of you who knows all the process, please bear because there are some students, even ninth class students are there here. So there are new and their parents might not be educated, they might be uneducated. So please bear. There are students who are doing on their own. So I'll go on slow pace. If you don't understand, please unmute yourself and ask me. Yeah. So type collegeboard.org. If you don't have an account, click on create account. You can see here create account. You can see an option called create account. Today is good day only. Happily you can create accounts. Yeah. So please click on create account. Please do click on student. Yeah, these are the details that are required. I'll tell you. If you give this, sufficient. You'll create your account. First name. I'll speak in Telugu for 1 second. First name ante మీ పేరు, మీ ఇంటి పేరు కాదు. మీ ఇంటి పేరు అంటే లాస్ట్ నేమ్. మీ ఇంటి పేరు సర్ నేమ్ లాస్ట్ నేమ్ లో ఇవ్వాలి. ఫస్ట్ నేమ్. Suppose your name is Ram Chaitanya Reddy. Surname is V. Ram Chaitanya Reddy is your first name. Everything should come here. Open your Aadhaar cards or passports. If your name is wrong, there are some students who don't know Telugu in this, so I should. If your name is wrong, they will not allow you to exam. So name should be correct, and first name means your name. Last name is your surname. Me inti peru. Your family name will come in last name. Enter this carefully. Don't enter anything for nickname. Just enter the details I am asking you to write. That's it. Even if you give more details to college board, no use. Why we are using college board? Just to go and write our exam. So our date of birth and our name should be matching as per the passport or Aadhaar card. If not, they will not allow us to the exam. That's it.
Sir, my name is Nanchari Pratik Reddy. Do I put Pratik Reddy for first name and Nanchari for last name?
Yeah. Nanchari is your surname. Surname should be last name.
Okay, and Pratik Reddy first name.
Yeah, Pratik Reddy. Complete Pratik Reddy is your first name. No middle name, nothing.
Okay, sir.
Pratik Reddy will come here and Nanchari will come in the last name.
Sir, even though the
Ah.
first in the name in the Aadhaar card,
Ah.
we have initial first, sir. Should
Aadhaar
we-
card in India, we write initial first. In US, we write initial last. So whatever might be in Aadhaar card, don't bother about Aadhaar card.
Okay.
మీ ఇంటి పేరు లాస్ట్ నేమ్ యూ షుడ్ రైట్. మీ పేరు ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. యూ షుడ్ రైట్ యువర్ నేమ్ ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ నేమ్, కంప్లీట్ ఫస్ట్ నేమ్. ఇక్కడ ఇంకో ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది. మీ పేరు 14 లెటర్స్ కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంటే అది రాదు. నో ప్రాబ్లం, అది కాలేజ్ బోర్డు కూడా తెలుసు. సో కొంతమంది పేరు చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది. సో ఇందాక నేను చెప్పిన చైతన్య ఏదో రాశారు కదా, అది రాదు అంతే. ఇక్కడ చైత్ దగ్గర ఆగిపోద్ది. నో ప్రాబ్లం, అక్కడ వరకు రాస్తే చాలు. సో ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ లో 14 లెటర్స్ ఎంతో క్యాప్ ఉంది, అంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ రాదు. ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ నాట్ గెటింగ్ యువర్ కంప్లీట్ ఫస్ట్ నేమ్, డోంట్ వరీ, దే విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్ బికాస్ వీ కాంట్ రైట్ మోర్ దెన్ 14 లెటర్స్. So they'll understand. So everyone please fill first name and last name carefully. Any doubts, please WhatsApp it to me, or you can unmute because there are only 56. I thought 30 will be there. I think they have messaged me some 4-5 students. They could not come. They want. Okay, I'll speak to them. Okay. Okay. So everyone write your first name and last name. Write your gender. Any doubts, you message me in WhatsApp, or you can unmute here and ask me. But don't make any mistakes. Recheck your first name and last name carefully. Mention your gender. Mention your date of birth. First is month, day, year. This is the format that is used in US. Even this first name and last name is the format that is used in US. They write first name first, last name they write. We write surname first. They write surname last. So the same process they are using. So please write your date of birth and mention this email address. Please have a email address where you don't have too much information, and please don't use your parents' email ID. Why? Because when I'm applying to universities, lot of headache. Parents will have a lot of sensitive information. They have their bank details and everything. They can't give their passwords. So when we are applying to the university, you might need to share your email ID with a counselor, or suppose we apply for many students, they need to share with me because we need to see whether we have submitted an application or not. If university has sent any email, we need to follow up. So simple, have your personal email ID. Make sure that personal email ID is not used for many activities. If it is used for many activities, your inbox is flooded with unnecessary emails. You will miss important emails. And please don't use your parents' email ID and don't use Yahoo or something. Always advisable to use Gmail. If not, you don't have, then use Hotmail, but prefer to use Gmail. But you can use any email. They don't have any restriction, but prefer to use Gmail. Give the same email address. Give the same email address. High school graduation means when will you complete your 12th class? Month is generally May or April is also fine because some students get results in April, some gets in May. So April or May is also fine, even March is also fine. Year. Suppose if you are in 10th class right now, you should keep there 2028. If you are in 10th class, you will complete 12th class in 2028. If you are in 11th class, 2027. If you are in 9th class, you will complete your 12th class in 2029. If you are in 8th class, 2030. I think one 8th class person is there. 2030. You just mark 2030. For zip or postal code, just mention outside the US. Where do you go to school? Just click on I am no longer in high school or my school is not listed. Just do what I am saying, because Only this your name and date of birth are required. College board is for us to go and take the exam. So just if you give those two perfectly sufficient, because here US schools are listed. So please select zip code as outside US and select I am no longer in high school. Then come to personal information outside the US. Just give general address because you don't get anything in courier. Everything is through email only. And in address, US address, they don't accept commas. They don't accept hyphens. So
Sir,
there are yeah, please.
sir, can you say once again high school graduation?
Yeah, high school graduation. Which grade are you in right now?
Sir, 10th.
10th. If you are in 10th, you'll write 10th boards in March 2026, 11th boards in March 2027, 12th board exams in March 2028. So you will graduate in March, or you can write April 2028.
2028. Okay, sir. 10th కాదు ఇప్పుడు.
If you are in 10th class, by 2028, you will complete your 12th April.
So now
2020.
I have to mention 2028.
2028, you need to mention here. If you are in 10th class.
Yes, sir.
Again, I'm saying if someone mentioned any date, no problem. Because this all we are giving just for sake. There is no way that it's going to hamper your exam. Only your name and date of birth should be accurate and gender. They're going
Okay.
to see only these three. Even they don't have access to your email address, but you need to have access to your email address. So this first name, last name, your gender, date of birth, and email address are only important. Rest of all, whatever you feel, no problem. We don't get any hard copies. Everything is through email. So address whatever you give, no problem.
Sir, so
Yeah.
what if my school is like listed in the...
If you want to give, give it. If not, no problem at all. It is not no way going to affect our anything related to exam. If
Okay,
at all
sir.
you see your name, your school name, you want to give it, but don't waste any time. You can just give I'm no longer in high school or school is not listed. You can happily select that. Come back here in personal information, give address. Again, I'm telling you, don't give commas, semicolons, hyphens. Some they don't accept many of those in the address. So just give simple plain address. Even if you mention something in address line one, suppose your street is street 1, don't give any comma. Suppose you are from some X colony, just mention colony. Mention your city because address line 2 and 3 are not mandatory, so it won't show any error. So give it, but you need to mention definitely in address line 1. They don't accept comma. So please fill your address. Basic details is sufficient. Give your city details, country. Even postal code and region is also
Address
not.
line one, we have to write our house location.
See, as per your Aadhaar card or passport, whatever is there, just you can mention that here. But only make sure that hyphens, semicolons, they don't accept. Just give H space NO some number. Select country India, city, country, and address line 1. These three are mandatory, so make sure that you fill up those details. No need to have exact address, not at all required. You want to receive emails, you can keep, but most of the emails, because no students know, whenever they get an email, they need to read complete email. Unless until it is a complete email, they don't know whether it is useful to them or not. So college board generally sends some many general emails, so you get unnecessarily flooded. So we say that no, I don't want these emails. But you are so patient, you can read all the emails, select yes, it is up to you, but we suggest no, because we are just using college board to register for an exam. Parent information is not required, but if you want to provide, but not required.
Sir, we have
Last,
to enter this code.
ఆల్రెడీ క్రియేట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు ఇప్పుడు అకౌంట్.
no, you cannot create. You can create college board account only once. Once you create an account for the same student, you cannot create another account. So please make sure that when you are filling the first account, that is why I'm telling you, your name, your date of birth, gender, and email ID, they should be proper and correct. These four only are important.
Sir, we have to enter postal code.
Postal code, see, postal code you just select outside the US. You are outside the US, so you need to select outside the US. I am no longer in high school.
Yes, sir. After that,
Uh, Suppose, for example, you see, I'm just filling some random data. Uh, I'm just feeling something that is coming to my mind to make sure that 2026 email address rajbi4567 at the rate gmail.com. Rajbi4567 at the rate. I'm assuming I'm 10th class. Address, house number 72. Country is India. I don't want this. That's it. Click on next. If you want, again, I'll go through what I filled. Click on next.
Sir, so like address is not mandatory, right?
Now, first, address line one is mandatory, Amma. So you need to mention something in address line one. City is mandatory, so you need to mention something in city. Something is your city. Your country is India. That you know, you need to mention India only. So mention your city and address line one. Remaining all not required. Now, if I click next, it will take you to this page. For some of you, some errors will come. So in address, you have used semicolon or something. It will show on the top if any errors comes. So don't worry. You see what is error. If you are unable to identify, just send me the photo. I can identify. So now make sure that you check your first name, last name, email. Because I told you, no, these are only important things. These are required to write an exam. So finally, they are picking only what is mandatory. They'll pick only these. Make sure that
sir,
they are exactly as per your passport or Aadhaar card and click confirm. Tell me.
sir, it is not showing next option, sir.
It is not showing next option means you did not fill some mandatory things. Mandatory అంటే అక్కడ స్టార్ ఉన్నది ఏదో నువ్వు ఫిల్అప్ చేయలేదు ఒక్కసారి చూసుకో స్టార్ ఉన్నది ఏదో కాలం నువ్వు ఫిల్అప్ చేయలేదు ఒక్కసారి
సార్ చేసా సార్ కంట్రీ తర్వాత చేయలేదు కంట్రీ తర్వాత చెప్పండి ఏదో
కంటే తర్వాత కిందకు వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఐ యాక్సెప్ట్ టర్మ్స్ అండ్ కండిషన్స్ లాస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ దేర్ I accept terms and conditions. Last option is there. Please see that.
ఐ అగ్రీ విత్ లీగల్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్
Yeah, I agree with conditions. Select that, and then you'll see next option. Then you'll get this page. This is most important. Your name, these should be perfect. Email should be perfect. Why? Because next, once I give confirm, one code will go to email. You need to give that code. Then only you can create account. So your email ID should be correct. Your first name, last name, date of birth should be correct.
సార్ ఇక్కడ స్టే కనెక్టెడ్ లో ఐ వాంట్ టు రిసీవ్ దీస్ మెయిల్స్ టు సపోర్ట్ మై కాలేజ్ అండ్ కెరియర్
Don't keep anything. You don't keep anything at all.
Sir, is an error.
అదే ఎర్రర్ చూపిస్తుంది సార్
సరే నువ్వు వదిలేసే నేను ఐ కాల్ యూ అండ్ ఐల్ గైడ్ యూ డోంట్ వరీ ఐ నో అబౌట్ యూ మీన్స్ యువర్ సిచ్యువేషన్ దేర్ ఐ కాల్ యూ అండ్ ఐల్ గైడ్ యూ డోంట్ వరీ జస్ట్ సీ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ నౌ ఓకే
Sir, there's a temporary service outage error coming for me.
సో redo it.
Yeah, it's not working. I think college board website is down అనుకుంటండి.
ఒక్క నిమిషం సరే let me click confirm but for me it is coming sir. So please make sure that you refresh once.
It is showing sorry we are experiencing temporary service. Please go back and try again.
Okay, ఒక్కసారి మళ్ళీ సేమ్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఇవ్వండి. Whoever is getting error, please close that window, open a new window, type collegeboard.org and please fill those details. Create an account and please fill those details. Student, please create those details, please. Who got verification code? Please give verification code. For example, 345678. Click on verify. Then it will say your account has been created. That's it.
Sir, it is saying error, sir.
If it is error, please do what I said, what I told you right now.
After giving the verification code, sir.
After giving verification, it is giving a.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have got password. Create your own password.
Created your password, Nama. Very good, Nama. So create your password. Make sure that you remember password. This password is for college board, not for your Gmail ID.
Sure, sir.
So whoever is getting error, please open a new browser. Mostly open in Internet Explorer or some other browser because we are getting in there. So please do it some other. Sorry, something.
Sir,
Uh,
sir, in Aadhaar, the surname is different, and in SSC memo, it's another surname. Initial. So,
సో నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు కాకపోయినా రేపైనా యూ నీడ్ టు కరెక్ట్. యూ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ యువర్ పాస్పోర్ట్, ఆధార్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈ సేమ్. నీకు ఏది కరెక్ట్ అయితే, సపోజ్ నీకు ఎస్ఎస్సి మార్క్స్ మెమోలో ఇచ్చిందే కరెక్ట్, పాస్పోర్ట్లో కూడా అదే వస్తుంది అనుకుంటే గివ్ వాట్ ఈజ్ మెన్షన్డ్ ఇన్ యువర్ 10th మార్క్స్ మెమో. అలా కాకుండా నా ఆధారే కరెక్ట్ అనుకుంటే నువ్వు 10th మార్క్స్ మెమో మార్క్స్ చేంజ్ చేయాలంటే చాలా ప్రాసెస్ ఉంటుంది. కానీ నువ్వు ఫైనల్గా ఏది పెట్టుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నావు? నీ 10th మార్క్స్ మెమోది పెట్టుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నావా, లేకపోతే నీ ఆధార్ కార్డులో ఉన్నది పెట్టుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నావు?
10th marks, sir.
10th మార్క్స్ మెమో హ్యాపీ. ఆధార్ని ఈజీగా చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు విత్ సమ్ ప్రాసెస్. సో నువ్వు 10th మార్క్స్ మెమోలో ఏది ఉందో సేమ్ డీటెయిల్స్ యూ గివ్ ఇట్ హియర్ ఇన్ కాలేజ్ బోర్డ్ అకౌంట్.
సార్ నేను స్టార్టింగ్ లో చేసినప్పుడు ఒకవేళ అంటే ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ లో ఇనిషియల్ రాసి ఉంటే అప్పుడు తప్పైపోయింది.
నో ప్రాబ్లం. చేసి ఉంటే ఆల్రెడీ ఉంటే ఓకే, డోంట్ వరీ.
ఓకే సార్.
చాలా మంది ఏం చేస్తారంటే తెలియక పాపం ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ లో సర్ నేమ్ ఇచ్చేస్తారు, లాస్ట్ నేమ్ లో ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ ఇస్తుంటారు. ఓకే అయిపోతే అది ఓకే, డోంట్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్, నో, నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆల్సో.
ఓకే సార్.
సో మళ్ళీ చేశాక కూడా ఇంకా మళ్ళీ ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది సార్. సార్
Sorry. Whoever is getting error, please open it in a new browser and please do the process again. Some of you might have created passwords, so means your account is created. Whosever account is created, I'll tell you the process now. Actual process will start now. So who could not create the account, please do the process again and please create the accounts. We'll wait. There are few students calling me now saying that, sir, we by mistake we wrote first name as this, last name as this, we already have an account. If there is any mistake, nothing to worry, except you kill someone, nothing to worry in this life, everything can be solved. So we can write a request to college board and they will change it. Don't worry for anything. If at all you have already done, nothing to worry. I'll tell you how to correct it even if there is a mistake. Okay? Yeah.
Sir, still it is
Who are creating now, please follow what I said and create an account. If you create an account, I'll tell you how to register for an exam because creating an account is mandatory to register for the exam.
Sir, it is still showing error, sir.
Please try once again in a different browser, Internet Explorer or somewhere. How many of you are able to create account? Just raise your hands here. You should be able to see.
Sir, I have got like security face. Like, what should I do there?
Varun and Saranya. Yeah, okay, Amma, please do it. Varun and Saranya are able to. Okay, also able to create. Very good. Kite ARP. Who is Kite ARP? What is the name?
Next time we పెట్టుకోలే.
Okay, Sushant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are able to create. Yeah. Even others, please create the account. If you can create the account, yeah, you can lower your hands. Others try to create the account. Everyone try to create the account. Still you are facing problem. Try once more in a different browser like Internet Explorer. You can try it in Internet Explorer. Yeah, you can please lower your hands. Lokesh created, Lokia created, Varun created. Very good. Good. Yeah. Others who are getting errors, please open Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. Open a different browser. Try to do the process there.
Sir, I created the password and security phrase also, sir.
Okay, very good. Who created? Please wait for 2 minutes. Now, actual process will start, which is most important. Everyone should listen carefully.
Sir, shall I click the next step or shall I wait?
Please wait. Please wait. Please wait. Okay, everyone, please create account. Varun, please lower your hands. Anyone has concerns? I'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes. No hurries. Please take your time and do this process. Make sure that your name, date of birth, your gender, and email ID are correct. Rest of all details, nothing to worry at all. I'll reshare my screen. Just 1 second. Please give it to me. Now I'll tell you.
I have a question.
uh.
Sir, it is showing that I have already created account, but I got error, sir, before creating the account.
Means already you have an account, Ramcharan.
Sir, I haven't created any account, sir. First time I'm trying, it got error, sir. So again, I tried. It's getting like already created my account.
Okay. Okay. Just 1 second. Then. Yeah. Anyone who is taking AP exams? Anyone? Anyone who is taking exam? Anyone who created account and who is writing AP exam, please send me your college board username and password to me in WhatsApp. Anyone who is writing Anyone who is writing AP exams? Please share your college board username and password with me. I'll just log in and do the next steps. I'll show from their account. Okay, I got it. So assuming you all created account, if anyone could not create, please don't worry. I have many sessions. I'll join in another session. I'll explain you there. So once you have created an account, please click on sign in. Yeah.
Sir, after creating password integrity phase, shall I click the next step or shall I?
Yeah, next step. Just open again collegeboard.org. Click on sign in. It will ask your email ID and it will ask your password. So I'm logging for a girl. Chitti Laukya. Log in with your email ID. Once you log in with your email ID, give college star board
Sir, the
1 2
Gmail
3.
has a single key.
It will ask your email ID and password. Please make sure that you give your star board 1
Sir,
2
the
3. Okay.
sir, the Gmail has a single key in it, not
Okay.
double key.
Okay. Okay. I typed her email ID wrong, so it is showing wrong. CHIT dot. Once you create account, everyone log into your account now. Click on sign in and log into your account. I'll tell you the process. I'll tell you first process how to register for AP exams. I'll also tell you for SAT because everyone here should know how to register for SAT and APs. First, I'll tell for APs and for AP. Then I'll tell you for SAT. Both I'm going to explain it here. Password is college. We know anything after the session, you please call me. I'll guide you with everything. Nothing to worry. Just COLLEGE star board 1 2 3. Everyone log into this account. You have successfully logged in. Click on continue and remove this. Yeah, this will be your main page. Once you log in, this will be your main page. So here you can see your name and next to that one photo would be there. That is you can log in to my. First, I am going to explain how to register for AP exams. Everyone click on my AP classroom. Everyone click on my AP classroom. I am doing for this student. One student has sent me college board username password. I am doing the process. Everyone should do the same process. You scroll it down. Already it has come, no problem. Select I have read and you need to accept the terms and conditions. They're all good, so no need to worry. So you need to accept them, no option. Now you'll get a page like this. Now you get a page like this. So most important, please listen to me carefully. Go to Google, type AP exam registration in India. Laukya, you don't do anything, Amma. Just see the screen. I'll be doing for you because you do, I do. Again, problem might come there. So just type AP exam registration. You'll get something like this. Taking AP in India International. So please click on that. Taking AP in India International. That link you can please select that link. If you scroll down, you will get all the centers, all the states, and the school names. All the states and school names. If you are from Delhi or if you are from Hyderabad, if you are from Vijayawada, please see what is the closest location to you. In Hyderabad, where is this Hyderabad? Telangana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 centers are there. Every center has a different process. So first you choose which center you want to write exam. Amma, okay, can I select Begumpet Hyderabad Public School for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Amma, very good. So this student whom I am doing the process want to take her exam in a school name called Hyderabad Public School Begumpet. You can choose any school. Just you are going to that school to write an exam. They don't have any say on your marks or anything. Just you are going to that school because we can't go to college board which is in US to write exam. We are just going to that school. So any school is fine. And all these are international schools, so definitely they'll have good infrastructure. But anyway, you need to take your own laptop for the exam. They don't give any laptop. All the students who are taking the exam should go along with your own laptop, own charger. Okay, so I'm selecting Hyderabad Public School because okay, I want to take her exam at this school. Please choose the school. Choose the school, whatever it is. So if you scroll down, there will be many information. No need to nothing to worry about all this. So you might have something called registration instructions. Click on registration policy. Every school has different registration policy and different codes. All schools will not have same codes. So please go to this registration instructions. If anyone has doubts, please don't do. You can call me after the class or you can message me right now. I'll guide you. Click on registration policy. So their registration policy will open. They will clearly tell you how to register for the exam. Window 1, window 2. Now we are doing window 2. They opened on December 16th. Suppose the school you have selected, they did not open window 2 yet. Don't worry. Everyone should open from Jan 5th. Some are opening early and some will charge only 19,000. Some will charge 25,000. It is up to the school. They can charge the amount they want. They have rights. So we can't say anything on the fees. You can see there are two fees. Why? Because if you see carefully, every exam, AP calculus, it is held 2 times. If you see here, I'll show you. Yeah, you can see AP calculus. For example, I'm a calculus faculty, right? So I'm focusing on calculus, nothing else. First exam is on May 11th. Suppose student has some board exams or IB exam, he can't take. He can take the same exam on May 21st. Also the same exam is held. This is called late testing. Late testing is not meant that I am registering late. No way. So there are 2 dates for this. Every exam has 2 dates. May 1st and 2nd week, May 3rd and 4th week, or May 3rd week. If you are taking exam in May 3rd week, it is called as late testing. If you are taking exam in May 1st and 2nd week, it is called as regular testing. So if you see this, so if you want to write an exam in regular testing, that is May 5 to 16, in between May 5 to May 16, they are charging 19,000. Different schools will charge different amounts. Some will charge 23, some will charge 25. So it is up to them. So now please scroll down. Don't do anything else. For every course, date is also there. For regular testing, even for the same school, for regular testing, one code would be there. And for late testing, one code would be there. So you should be very careful. So regular testing, and everyone, I'm hoping, except IB student, I think none of you are IB in this batch whom I called you today. You'll take only regular testing. Only IB students, they have board exams, they'll take later. All of you will take on regular testing. Please see the code. Suppose you are writing European history. I think 1 or 2 are writing European history. See the code. So suppose Laukya is writing, she's writing AP English language and composition. So I'll take that code for her. She's writing AP English language and composition. So I'll take that code, go to her college board account. Yeah, sorry. This is her college board account. I'll click on join a course or exam and give this code. And click on submit. Then it will say at so and so school you are registered for so and so exam, Hyderabad Public School, regular testing, AP English language and composition. Are you taking this exam? Yes. Yes. I am enrolled. This is only one process. Don't think process is completed. First step is this. So nickname, no nickname, female, outside US, same details, postal code. Amma, what is your postal code, Amma?
5 lakhs 90, sir.
5 lakhs 90. Region is Telangana. She is from Telangana. Next. These are all, nothing is required. Okay. Only this. Nothing. Only fill mandatory things. Others all which race you are in. Amma, did your parents completed graduation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am not writing something. For mandatory question, I did not fill. Okay, mark current grade
Sir,
level.
what is
Ask your
hybrid
grade. Please give
platform,
your
sir?
grade and school you attend. Amma, what is your school name, Lokia?
Silver Ox, sir.
Silver Oaks. Space is there between Silver and Oaks?
Yes, sir.
The join code is coming now. Not very.
1 second. Let me complete this. I'm coming and I'll tell you. My speaker is press twice. Okay. Yeah. So Silver Oaks International School. Silver Oaks International School. It is asking our school name. Fill only the mandatory things. So I can't find my high school. That's it. Suppose even if you're 10th grade, you give 11th grade, no harm, but give proper details, whatever it is, and fill only mandatory details. So she has enrolled in AP English language and composition. This is one step. There are more steps to do. First step is this. I have enrolled one exam. I think she's writing other exam too. Okay. You're taking AP microeconomics, Amma, other class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Amma. You want microeconomics. Amma, okay. AP microeconomics is what she's taking. So 3GWNLR. Okay. Where is this? Yeah, some of you are taking 5 AP calculus, physics, mechanics, physics. Slowly fill up KP chemistry. So whatever the exams you are taking, please take your time and fill this. Good part is it will ask those which school you are in, which grade only once. After that, it will directly enroll you into that course also. Now, clearly she has enrolled for 2 courses at it will give the school name. You have registered for exam on that school, it clearly mentioned there. Please everyone complete this. Someone is asking me doubt. Please unmute yourself and tell me what is the issue that you are getting. I'll try to resolve.
Sir?
No.
Sir, the join code is coming not recognized.
Join code is coming as not recognized. Can I know which school you are registering for? Who is this Lokesh? Who is that?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Lokesh. Tell me, Lokesh, what is the which school are you registering at?
Sancta Maria, sir.
Santa Maria, Santa Maria, Santa Maria. Okay. I think their exam registration date is from Jan 5th. Let me see once their registration policy. Late testing all okay. Eligibility registration window 1. Yeah, their window 2 will start from January 1. That is the reason it is showing not. You need to, if you want to write at Santa Maria, you need to register after January 1st. Different schools will have different start their own. I told you, right? So suppose if you see this school, they're starting from 15 days early, December 16th to almost they're giving March 19th, I think. Where registration deadline somewhere it is there. Regular testing window 2 up to March 11th they are giving, but Santa Maria is giving only from January 1st to March 9th. That is the reason you are unable to see now, okay? So after 2 days we can try. If not, even I think Santa Maria fees is more than 19. Begumpet should be good if you are comfortable. Then only they took. They're charging only 18,500. Yeah, they're charging 500 less only. So,
can you check for KC High in Chennai?
Sir, you want me to check Chennai?
Only one is there.
Yeah, sir. Just 1 second. So Chennai, yeah, KC High.
I think it's 10th. That's why I think we are.
KC High registration reopens. Yes, sir. They are doing it from January 10th. But in Chennai, there is one more option for you. No, only one option.
Nothing. Yeah.
Nothing option. So they're doing from 10th. You need to do the same process, sir. You can just listen to this. And again, on Jan 10th, I'll help you if you have any concerns on that day. So if your date is later date, please see the process that I'm doing right now. On the day when you're registering for the exam, you have any concerns, you can get back to me immediately. I'll help you. So now we'll do for this school, this Hyderabad public school. First step I completed. You need to follow the steps they are given here. First step is joining the course. For any center that you want to write exam, the first thing that you need to do is please select regular testing. If you want to test late testing also can be done, but why? Unless until required, don't go for late testing. Select the dates. Once that is done, please don't call me nowhere. You can unmute and ask me, or please wait for some time. After the session, I'll call you. Immediately after that, I'll call you. Now, they gave a process. If you see the process, they're giving about information about their center, nothing here. They're telling about when their window 1 opens and when their window 2 opens. That's it. The only difference between window 1 and window 2 is they'll charge extra 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 rupees per exam. That's it. No other difference, nothing else. Now they're saying complete all the steps below. From here, it is important. By 12th March, we need to do all these steps, it seems, but you can do right now. To reserve your seat, the test center will provide an AP admission ticket by 20th April as confirmation that your seat is reserved. So once you register once you send an email, right, there will be some coordinator names. After sending mails, after 1 or 2 days or 3 days, if they send confirmation that we have received everything, fine. If not, call them and tell them, I have already enrolled in college board. I have registered my courses. I paid the fees. I sent an email to your school. Could you please confirm if I have enrolled it or not? Hope you are getting my point. What we need to do is, first we need to enroll in college board website like I did first step. Done. Now what they are telling, okay, they are asking you for the payment. So these are the account details given. So please, you can do NEFT, or you can also go to bank and deposit cash. But make sure that you have a proper slip indicating the transfer of the amount to that particular school. So next, Laukya should transfer amount to this. She can either do NEFT or she can go to bank and she can deposit the cash. Since you want to write only 2 exams, she needs to pay 2 into 19, 38,000. We can pay at once. No need to pay in 2 separate 19,000s. You are writing 5 exams, 5 into 19, 95,000 can be paid at once as payment to the test center. Now, once you make the payment, they're clearly asking you need to go to the email ID which you have given in your college board. From there to this email address, we need to send an email with your full name, your class, your school name, which subjects you have registered for. AP, English, composition, language and composition, AP, microeconomics, and the exam test dates. Along with this, we need to make sure that we need to add your passport copy and your payment made to that particular school. So if you send, it is done. So steps are in three process. The registration for AP exam is a three-step process. Many students get confused because we need to go to AP exam registration in India and select the particular school. Unlike SAT is a simple, straightforward process from college board. But for AP, it depends on the suppose this HPS, Hyderabad Public School says following steps. Some other school will say something. You can't do cash payment. You need to do only NEFT, or you need some. There are some schools you need to pay only DD. We don't have an option. But these are so comfortable. They did not give any conditions. Means they can make the NEFT, or they can also deposit cash, or they can go to bank and deposit check also to that account. Now, what we need to do first step is you need to have your college board account. Without college board account, you cannot do anything in terms of registration for any exam. College board is the only one which conducts both AP and SAT exams. Both AP and SAT have become online mode. Means you will be taking the exam on your laptop. Even SAT AP exams too. Now you need to go to college board. Every school will have respective codes. No two school codes are same. Everything is different. Make sure that you add respective subject. Once you add subject, it comes in your college board clearly. You have added this at this particular center. Then come back. Please see their account details. Make the payment. While making payment, if there is any option of giving reference, write your complete name and write AP exam registration fee. If there is still option is there, write the courses and your passport number, but it won't give so much length, but at least your full name. If you written, it becomes easy for them to track. Make the payment. Once you make the payment, next step is make the payment. There are some schools, they'll ask you to fill a separate form also. So we'll follow the steps they're asking. Hyderabad Public School is following a simple process. I'll open some other school also right now and show it to you. So make the payment. Next step is make the payment. I have registered for the classes. Now we need to make the payment. Once we make the payment, we need to go to our email ID where you have enrolled from college board account. You have given email ID. Go to the same email ID, write and mail to these people with these details. Attach your passport copy, first page, last page, and the payment details. If you get any confirmation from them in 3 days that okay, we have received your payment, nothing to worry. On April 20th, you'll receive your hall ticket. Yes, they'll send only in April 20th. If you don't receive any email, we need to call them. Once you call them, first thing is they'll ask is, have you registered in college board? Yes. First step we have done is registration in college board. Yes, we have registered the following courses in college board. It is done. Next step they'll ask is, have you made the payment? Yes, we have made the payment. Next step they'll ask is, have you written any email to us? Yes, we have written an email. So then they will cross check and will get back to you. So the coordinator is responsible. They clearly mention the timings. Please contact during those timings only. Okay. So this is the registration for AP. Now I'll open a different school to make you understand the process. Yeah.
Sir, we still didn't apply for the passport.
Even Aadhaar card should be fine for now. Okay. For now, Aadhaar card is also fine to register for the exam. But since you people might be planning to apply, most of you, if you're writing AP exam, SAT means you might even apply in India. But most of you are writing AP means you are planning to go abroad. So passport is mandatory. Try to apply for passport as soon as possible. Suppose now I want to register some other school like any school like I already KC High. It is not open right now, but I can see the process for it later. What I need to do, I'll tell you right now. Uh, for international university events, AP start how the course description, AP exam registration for student, AP exam schedule For more details. Okay, they gave all in this page only, I think. Yes. Okay. This college is saying providing by 10th refund policy, registration timeline, contact AP exam. They gave contact person details also. Okay. Okay. So this school is best. They're charging only 14,500, but you need to go there and write it. Rating is later. Let me see if I have a PDF like that, it becomes easy instead of going AP exam registration for students. Learn more here. Mostly they'll give all the details here. No, it took us to they do not have any particular PDF. They have all the details here only. Yeah, they have all the details here only. So they have their codes also here. They're clearly mentioning hybrid digital means you have free response questions. Fully digital means everything you'll write on laptop. Hybrid digital means some part theory you can't write on computer. So they'll give some papers. You'll write on the papers. Immediately they'll scan and they'll attach to your account then and there itself. That is what called fully digital and hybrid digital meant. AP student eligibility, ID policy, additional testing, refund policy, exam fees, registration timeline. Students will need an account. They gave contact AP exam. So they did not give account details. I think once they open, they might give. If not, we can call the respective people and find it out. So my suggestion is here all the details are there, but they did not give to where to make the payment. Mostly once uh, testing policies, I think. One second here. Let me see. No, it is the same page. It has all the details, the same thing. It is they gave step by step onto the left. So it has all the details. So we can call them and identify the bank details where to make the payment. Okay. Yeah. So this center is opening only after Jan 10th. So like that we have respective centers which you can try. Chirac International School. I'm opening a different school in Telangana. Automatically, yeah, they have a lengthy process. Automatically, the PDF is opening for them directly the PDF. So what they're saying here, yeah. First they gave the timelines when the exams are there, when the late testing dates are there. They gave that AP exam eligibility, testing policy, ID policy. AP exam. They are giving complete information about AP registration instructions. From here, the respective school information is starting. Okay. So they're telling to go here. I'll open in a new link tab. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So they gave one policy. So this is the PDF. If you see this, it has clearly all codes and everything it will have all the codes and everything. So if you're finding it difficulty to find this page, I'll help you. So we'll come here. Sarita Balnagar is the one who is responsible for helping us to take the exam here. So their fees is around 19,000. Okay, it's fine. So what they're telling, they gave the codes. You need to add the codes. Then for this school, we need to take printout of this form. You need to fill out this form. Okay. By paying the test center, acknowledge that you are acknowledging all this. Pay the test center within 3 business days of completing online registration. So we need to be very careful. Hyderabad Public School did not give how much time to wait. So they're telling within 3 days after registration, you need to make the payment. Even if it is 4 days, don't worry. They'll send a mail. You have registered, you did not make the payment. Please make the payment to confirm your exam. If not, we'll cancel the exam. They say some mails as such. But try to register as soon as possible. If not, again you can suppose if it is removed, again you can add it. So nothing to worry. But do all the process at once. Once the
Sir, if you
registration,
want to change the center, then
I think you have an option to cancel it there. Here. I'll check it here once. Huh? I'll help you. Don't worry. Just after this session, you be with me. I'll tell you. So three completing the online registration or whichever comes first. Email your payment details to the test center coordinator so that the test center can match your online. Fill in the info below and email to the test center coordinator. So you need to take printout of this and you need to mail your payment printout of this to this email ID. Okay, so every center has a PDF like this. Mainly codes are important. Then they'll give some account details for the payment. Here, what is the process they made? Complete all steps below. They might have given some payment mode. I'll see what is the payment mode they gave here. Verify, confirm the exam center, fill out the registration form. Receive admission ticket from test center. The test center will issue. I'm just seeing the payment option. Just 1 second. Email your payment details. Registration and payment they give. Registration and payment. Registration and payment to be notified means as when they are starting their dates, they are starting registration opens on 16th September to 1st November. Second is 5th January. Since 5th January is there, they are not mentioning the account details here. If not, even for the KC High, I could not say account details. Even here, I'm not seeing. So to be notified, I think here they'll mention the account details where the money should be sent. Clearly, they'll mention whether it is NEFT or DD or anything. If you have any doubts, the respective center coordinator will be there. If you just call them, they will say, but clearly it will be mentioned here. That is not at all a concern. I can check and let you know. Since the exam registration for the HPSA started, they clearly mentioned send the money to this address where I just opened here, right? Not this one, KC High. This is also Chirac. This is also Chirac. Yeah, this is the HPS. They clearly mentioned send it to this amount because already they opened even the second registration slot. Okay, I hope I am clear with this. So whoever is having struggles or someone is asking me right now, I think Sushant is asking me, sir, I want to change the test center. No problem. We will do that. We'll see the option. We'll just see now. Course detail go to apply, send your go to free score
Sir,
reports.
is there a
Course.
join code, sir?
Join a course exam here. So Sushant, what you need to do is, if you want to change the test center, right now you might have registered at which school did you register right now?
Sir, the Hyderabad Public School, HPS.
So HPS, there is an email. So please drop an email to her saying that I have registered for the following courses, but I want to drop the courses. Please drop the courses. Write an email today itself. Tomorrow they might be working. Call them tomorrow. Coordinator, AP coordinator will only will have right to delete you from the respective course once you add course to particular school. Okay, and they will do that. Nothing to worry. See, even if it suppose you registered, there I think they don't have deadline, but generally some schools will have deadline after 5 days or 6 days. They'll automatically remove. So you just write a mail to them. I don't want to register my AP exams with your school. Please help me to delete the courses in my college board account. Please mention the subjects that you have registered. So they'll do the process of removing the courses from the college board. Then you can go to the respective school you want and you can do that. Okay, so we are done with the AP. It is AP is mainly related to respective school. So it is every school has this. You have seen, right? it makes me really wonder. It is an international exam. How can one school start registration on December 16th, one starts on Jan 5th? So since college board has given an authority for a particular school, they're acting whatever is comfortable to them. Some schools might have Christmas holidays. They might come back on Jan 5th. So they're following the comfortability that they have. So we can't do anything. Yeah. I'm telling you the registration process for SAT registration process is simple and straightforward and unique because this you are registering with college board only. AP exams, we need to register and pay to the particular school. Definitely, college board only will give you marks and everything. But registration should be done with a particular school. Why? Because AP is a syllabus. Means it is like some board. CBSE, IC, it's a board. AP is one of the best board in the world. So they want to associate you with some school. That is why they are asking you to enroll with some school there. Even though it is your exam center, you need to pay to the school. Now, if you want to register for SAT, go to everything, whether SAT or AP. This is what is our major thing. Click on My SAT.
Sir, can I leave now? Like I have registered for
Yeah,
adult.
please. Huh? Who are not going to write, who are in 12th, who are not going to write SAT, they can leave. Who are going to write SAT, even you are writing APs now, please be patient and watch what I'm going to explain here. It will help you. Yeah, click on Get Started. It will show your name, first name, and everything. It will show for your high school, no results because I selected there, I'm not listed. So select outside the United States. Click India. Uh, if you want your city, click on the particular city and click on search for high school. So most of the schools are not available. If they are not available, click on my school is not listed. If your school is available, just click on select the particular school. Okay, so automatically this will come, some address will come, New York address, college board address will come. It will show you when will you graduate. If there is any mistake here, please correct. Which class you are in, please correct. Suppose you are in 11th grade by mistake 10th, nothing to worry for those. So don't worry for simple reasons. Name, date of birth should be correct. If those are correct, you can go to the exam. Don't give any mobile number, all they start sending. Nothing is required for you because you'll just go to the exam, you'll get scores also here only. Here it will ask you what origin you are from, what race you are in, mandatory field. So select your parents highest qualification. Some of your parents are uneducated, so you are lucky, you'll become a first generation student. Means in your family you are the first generation who is going to the school, so you are in an advantage. So if your parents are really uneducated, you can choose that option. So you speak Telugu, Hindi or English. Then what language you know best? English and other language. Yeah, please.
Sir, when should you pay for the AP exams?
AP exams. Which school? That Santa Maria has not yet opened. No, once it opens after registration, within 1 or 2 or 3 days of registration, I always advisable to pay and close the things.
Sir, is it payment through online or?
Most of the schools are giving online payment. Very few schools are giving DD payment, like Chirac, all this. Not last year they gave only DD option, but most of them they're giving online option these days. They're giving their account details directly. So
You have to go to that particular school.
no need to go to school. You need to go to the bank. The moment you have account, you need to go to the bank, and you can do the process. And one more thing, please fill only the mandatory things. Other things not at all required, like your GPA. So what is your average GPA that you can get? If you mention suppose 99, it is no way going to affect in any way. Or you mention 18 only, but you know your actual performance, right? So whatever is your performance, 90 to 92%, mention that. Mandatory fields you need to select. If not, you cannot go to the next page. People are taking AP credits, so click on AP. But that is not a mandatory field, so I don't want. These are all not at all mandatory fields, so I don't want you to waste any time on not mandatory fields.
Sir?
Yeah.
Instead of going to NEFT? Instead of bank, can we do NEFT?
Yeah, NEFT and bank both will be same. If they just give account details, they want money. So if you go to bank also, they'll do NEFT or RTGS. You can do directly from NEFT from your bank account, net banking. If they give account details, you can do anything. So click on next. You need to scroll down. People will say, "Sir, I can't see this." Yes, you can't see unless until this button scrolls down here. It means they're expecting you to read all these conditions. Okay. So you need to scroll it down. 99% students get stuck here. They call me, "Sir, it's not, I'm unable to continue." Means you did not read all conditions as per college board. So they're not allowing you to move to the next page. So click on continue. Next. Suppose they gave SAT test dates for next 3 test dates. Exam is on March 14th, May 2nd, and June 6th. March 14th, May 2nd, and June 6th are the exam dates that are available. Select the exam date that you want. Unless until I pay, nothing will happen. I'm just selecting some date, don't worry. So next, I can remove or I can do. So more such options you keep. Suppose I want to write exam in Vijayawada. Find a test center.
Hello. Sir,
There are 2 test centers available in Vijayawada. Please.
it's not working for me.
Which one? This option, huh?
The first page only it's saying your request can't be completed.
Your request can't be completed. Where first page? Here,
Yes, sir.
here, huh?
No, sir, before the step 1.
Before the step 1. Ardit, right?
Yes,
Ardit. Okay, Ardit. Very good, Ardit. So, what you need to do is, 1 second, I'm going back. So, it's saying your request cannot be completed because the college board might be concerned that you'll get a full score, huh? So, yeah, just saying, confirm. Again, it took me back to the first page. So, I'll come back from there. In 2 seconds, I can come back.
for me it's stopping there, sir.
Yeah. 1 second, Ardit. I'll just come back there. I'll come back to the page that you are in, then we'll discuss. Suppose you make any mistakes while applications or anything, don't worry so much. Everything can be rectified. Nothing. Just focus on acing your exams. Focus on what is required. Other all things, suppose I wrote my first name as last name, all can be rectified here in this world. Yeah. So now Ardit is in this page. Click on continue Ardit. Now you might have come to this. You are in this page, Ardit.
No, sir, step 1.
Okay, in this page. Now, did you get this page?
No, sir, I'm in the very first page, step 1.
Previous page, this page, or you're telling the starting page where your name is coming?
Yes, sir, starting page.
Okay, Ardit. Then after this session, immediately I'll take your any desk,
Yes,
and
sir.
I'll try to see. So just give me some time. I'll see what is the issue that you are getting. Select the test center. Select which city you want. Suppose you want in Hyderabad. Hyderabad, there are 14 to 15 centers are there. Vijayawada, 2 centers. Rajahmundry also recently we helped one school to open their center, Saint Laurel School. So there are many schools, almost 14, 15. Select the school that you want, make the payment, it would be done.
Sir,
Yeah,
I have after clicking join a course or exam, getting to enter the code, sir. Which code should I enter?
Which center you want to write your exam in?
Sir, no, sir. After the first steps, sir, I mean.
Okay, don't get confused. I'll help you one by one. So whoever has concerns, what you do is you please message me. I'm going to call you right now one by one. Whatever the time it is, I'll be calling in next 30, 45 minutes. I'm calling one by one. I'm starting right now. So whoever has concerns, just message me in WhatsApp. I'm going to call them and resolve your issues. Or whoever has concerns, please stay. Others can leave. I'll solve their concerns right now. So who have concerns, please stay here. Others can take leave. So this is the process for registration. You should be aware how to register for an exam, most important. And AP exam registration is started for few schools. For most of them, it did not start. It will start from Jan 1st. Once it starts, we'll be doing the registration process. Okay. Yeah. Please stay here. Others, I'll just can leave. So Ardit, can I have your college board username and password message to me?
I sent it, sir, in
You sent
WhatsApp.
it? Okay, thank you. Ardit, I did not receive Ardit. When did you send it?
In WhatsApp, sir, in the group.
Oh, in the group only center. Okay. Yeah. Okay, our group. Okay, continue. They can't see your password. Even few students are there. Nothing to worry. Ardit, what? Kancherla@gmail.com. Aditya dot Kancherla@gmail.com. Next password. V E L R E. I is capital, right?
Yes, sir. V and I
Okay. Okay. Internet.
I capital, sir.
So I'm registering for exam. You need to click on this Ardit. Once you click on that, let me see the error that you're getting. Let's get started. I clicked on Ardit Kancherla, mail, February 2010. Name of your high school, edit outside the India. Hello,
No. City is Chennai.
Chennai.
I don't think so. School name will be there, sir.
Yes, sir. So my school is not listed. Submit.
Yes.
So expected graduation is now we are in 11th, 2026, 2027. Correct. You are in 11th grade. Correct.
Got it. Okay.
So now it will work, Ardit. I think you might not have filled one of the information.
Yeah.
There. Huh? Okay. Yeah. So now it should work. Parents, graduated. So now it should work, sir.
Yeah.
Please do the process. Anything, you please let me know, sir.
Okay.
Send me photo.
Sorry. Yeah. We got that.
Perfect, sir. Perfect. So, yeah. Ram Charan, what is your doubt, Ram Charan?
Sir, after clicking join a
Can
course.
you please send me your college board username, password, and let me know which center you want to register the
Okay,
exam
sir.
for.
Okay,
I'll
sir.
register it right now. So many tabs. I'll close it.
Sir, like the email address, sir.
Yeah, your college board email address and password both.
Okay, sir.
So you mentioned me personally. You don't mention in calculus batch, Ram Charan. You mentioned to me personally. Yeah? Don't mention in any of your class groups. Ram Charan Kartiki. Ram Charan Kartiki @gmail.com.
Yes, sir. Accidentally, I
Send to my personal. Just send it to me once. What is the password here? Just send me the password. I'll see where the issue is and I'll resolve. Zero 07 09 2008 hash and see.
Sir, are we supposed to tell we are doing advanced placements also?
Not required, Arbi. Nothing is required to mention them. Huh?
Yes, sir.
GPA, sir?
So GPA, that is a mandatory column, sir. So we need to select an option.
Something. So we'll just blindly select something.
Yeah, blindly select something.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
So now Ram Charan, you want to register for APs. Which center you want to write your exam? Which center you want to write exam, Ram Charan?
Sir, in Vijayawada, sir.
APs are not there in Vijayawada. APs are
Hyderabad,
only Hyderabad. Which center shall I book? Hyderabad Public School?
Anyone, sir. I don't know anything.
Begumpet Hyderabad Public School is near from Vijayawada. Better than most of the other options. AP exam policy, registration policy. So you are writing AP Calculus BC. AP Calculus BC. ABC, join a course of exam. Give that, submit. AP exam, yes. No nickname. Yeah, what is your pin code? 52? Ramcharan, you are with me? Ramcharan, are you with me?
Yes, sir. I'm searching the pin codes. Sir, 521002.
521002.
Yes, sir.
Select your school. What is your school name? Chaitanya? Sri Chaitanya?
Narayana, sir.
Narayana. Not Thane West, right? Can't find your celebration. You are 11th grade. Okay, selection. Which language? Parents have any bachelor's degree or they don't have any bachelor's degree?
So they have, sir.
They have. Say, okay. Have enrolled. Next, AP Physics Mechanics, right?
Yes, sir.
Join a course or a thing. AP Physics Mechanics. AP Physics Mechanics. AP Physics Mechanics. Submit. Are you taking an exam? Close. Next, AP Physics E&M.
సార్ ఇవన్నీ సెలెక్ట్ చేయడం వేస్ట్ సార్ ఎస్ఐటికి వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు కాలేజ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ యాక్టివిటీస్
ఏం అవసరం లేదు సార్.
వద్దంటారు అసలు పెట్టడం అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏం లేదా?
ఏమీ లేదు సార్. వాళ్ళు మన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ తీసుకుని ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళు ట్రయల్ అండ్ ఎర్రర్ చేసుకుంటారు. ఎంతమంది ఏం చేస్తున్నారు ఏంటనేది సార్. మనకి ఎగ్జామ్ రాయడానికి అసలు ఏమి ఉపయోగం ఏం లేదు సార్. అసలు
కాలేజ్ టైప్ కాలేజ్ సెట్టింగ్
ఏమి అవసరం లేదు సార్. అసలు నో యూస్ అసలు. సో ఏపీ E&M, AP Electricity and Magnetism. Submit. Testing. Close. So AP Calculus BC, AP Physics Mechanics, AP Chemistry. Where is AP Chemistry? AP Chemistry, regular testing, AP Chemistry. Copy. Join a course. Submit. Hyderabad Public School, chemistry, regular testing. Yes. Yeah, enrolled. So, heavy calculus BC, exam day May 7th, Hyderabad exam day May 5th, Hyderabad School exam day May 14th, Hyderabad School May 13th, Hyderabad School.
Sir, for SAT, we can't choose all 3 dates.
What are no at a time you need to register for one day. Then again you do the same thing to register for other day. Adit.
2 dates if I can do, sir, for all 3.
Yeah, if you want to register somewhere, yeah, March you can do it for today. You can select the date March date and you can complete
Yes,
the
sir.
registration today. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Today is good day also. Huh? So
Yes, sir.
you are close to getting 1600. Huh? Uh, how are you preparing, Ardit?
Good, sir.
Good, huh?
Yes,
Your
sir.
voice is good. Voice is good means voice is active. Huh? Max madam is happy with your performance, or you are happy with her teaching?
I'm happy with the teaching, sir.
She is happy with your performance.
I don't know, sir.
You don't know. Tomorrow, first thing, ask her, madam, how happy you are with my performance? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Do you improved? There is a way to go. Huh? Complete all the work she is giving. Everything should be good. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Ramcharan, your first step is done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second step is I'm sending you one PDF. I'll send you one PDF. For this account, you need to send 95,000 because you are writing 5 exams.
Yes, sir.
5 into 19,000 is 95,000. To this account, you need to send 95,000. Then to this email IDs, you need to write an email with your name, 11th class, Narayana College, subjects AP Calculus BC, AP Physics Mechanics, AP Physics ENM, so and so. AP subject dates, which day it is, May 14th, 12 o'clock, May 13th. With that, we just need to write a mail to her with your passport and payment confirmation. That's it here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm sending you this PDF in next few minutes. You just make the payment as soon as possible.
Yes, sir.
Then let me know once. Let
Sir,
me know
can I
once.
leave, sir?
Yeah, you can leave now. Yeah. Okay, Ardit, then everything is fine. You're able to register or any issues that you are facing, Ardit?
No issues, sir.
We're
No
just
issues.
trying to figure out which school to.
Okay. Yeah, please see Ardit, which is most comfortable to you, please take. But you should get, I promised your father. Father asked me 750 in math. I told not 750, sir, for Ardit capability. I told 790 is my target. Okay, Ardit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But Ardit says my capability is 800. Is it? Huh? Okay, Adit. Do your best. Automatically scores will follow. I know how to get scores. Everything should go for good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Adit. Good night, Adit.
Good night.